Daddy down here. Daddy fixed.
Oh, eat ka na, eat na. There, eat na.
Daddy, you fixed.
Eat na. Finish that food, okay? Yummy. Daddy, Daddy, gentle. We don't have look up ka, look up. Basta na. Daddy, picture ko.
You can run, Daddy. You fix your hand.
One na lang. Like this na lang.
You can, Daddy. Daddy!
Ay!
You
Oh my
can,
God, Daddy will fix again.
you can, Daddy. You can, Daddy. You can, Daddy. Daddy.
Jace, look at Daddy. Hi!
Hi.
Going to
School.
therapy, teacher.
Reading. Hi.
Go to?
Daddy. Teacher, you reading. Teacher, Jamie.
Teacher?
Vanessa.
Oh, hold that yan.
Teacher, Vanessa. Go to therapy. Teacher, Vanessa.
Teacher Luigi today. Huh?
Why can't
About there. What's that?
a therapy?
High five.
A more
High five.
and a
High five.
N A T T E I S T H.
You read. What's that?
Monopoly Sound!
Dahil sobrang aga namin, ayan, laro muna kami dito sa sasakyan. Oh, dance daddy. Dance Gigi. Ouch!
Mama, Daddy!
Mama, daddy. Uy! Look at the dog outside. There's a dog outside, oh.
Oh, look at Daddy!
Uy, kawawa, Jis.
Ouch, you move.
Talaga pa, bebe.
Ay!
Mm.
Oh, ayun, ayun!
Ah.
Ay, got you, Daddy!
Oh, daddy. How's your therapy? You're tired?
Mama, Daddy, you open.
Very good
You
ka daw?
open.
Very good ka daw? Very good ka? What did you do there?
Yes.
What did you do inside? You read? You write? And you
Books.
read the books?
No, no, no.
Oh, say hi.
I pink books.
Hello guys. So, may pipick upin ako. May konting pa-surprise ako kay Mami Mason niya. Susundin ko sila sa may airport. Ito na nga guys. Ang welcome back natin kay Mami Mason niya. Welcome home. Ganito pala yung feeling na magsusundo sa airport guys. Para akong matatay ng hindi mo alam sabihin. Ganito pala yung feeling na susunduin mo yung asawa mo sa airport. Experience ko rin. Dati kasi ako sinusundo eh. Kanina pa ako dito siguro mga 6. Anong oras na? Nasa ano na? 7:30 na. Aga ko, diba? So excited. Nandyan na daw sila guys. Provide muna pala ako ng parking. Na-excited. Yun na nga guys. Nandyan na daw sila. Punta na ako doon. Pick upin ko na sila.
Okay, so Sean,
Ano masasabi mo?
girl, ano masasabi?
Wow!
Kiss naman yan.
Kiss naman dyan!
Ba, people welcome home. You read, welcome. Welcome home. Thank you.
Mommy,
What?
you guys. Daddy, Dana, ow. Can you watch it?